Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. I've got a 1999 Honda Civic to show to you today. It's a new consignment. It's got really low miles. It's got 95,180 miles, original. It's got a clean title, and best of all, it's a one owner. It's in really great condition. The exterior looks good, free of any rust. Right now I'm just going to go over kind of the body and if there's any imperfections cosmetically or mechanically with it. This one's got a ton of maintenance records along with it, so that always helps. Definitely see kind of what it is and how well it's been taken care of. We're going to start on the back side here of the car. As you'll notice, there's a tiny little dent right underneath the light. Go along the body here, you'll see a couple paint chips on that trim there. And then on the front, we've got two little dents. From far away, they're not too noticeable. Overall, it's pretty clean. On the side here, you'll see a couple little scratches right there on the front bumper, but the lights look good. On the back side here, there is a tiny little dent right there. I don't know if you can see it when I move away from it, but tiny little rock chip there. Tread looks really great on this. On all the tires, looks really good. A lot of trunk space. It's an EX, so it includes a lot of the cool features, a sunroof. It's got an aftermarket stereo. Take a look at the inside here. No rips in the seats. They're just worn as you would expect any 99 Honda to look, but nothing too crazy. Free of smoke, no funky smells. Sorry, and I said aftermarket stereo. Looks like it is the original on this one. AC works, heat works, sunroof works, headliner looks great, back seats look good as well. All right, we'll do a quick startup. No lights, no service lights, of course, and like I had mentioned before, I do have some maintenance history from it. It was a one owner and it was taken care of regularly, and I can send all that to you. We didn't clean the engine bay purposefully, so you can kind of see all of it in all its glory. Looks like the engine's pretty clean. It is the original engine, so it's got 95,000 miles on the original engine, but as you can hear, it sounds really great. Suspension felt good while I was driving it. I noticed the suspension felt good. No metal on metal sounds. The brakes felt good. Yeah, any other questions, guys, let me know. Again, this is our 1999 Honda Civic EX, 95,000 original miles, clean title, one owner. You can find this at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. Thanks, guys.